such a punishment, huh?
Let me translate this blabber to you. The whale says I have been a fool. I swallowed up 100 ships, maybe more, and now I'm punished for my crimes. He wants to release the ships, but how?
Tears. Get closer to the wall and tickle him with your ring.
I know what I'm doing. Need to focus.
It's working. Turn around.
It's up to Johnny! But it's not as bad as it could have been. The ring is up for grabs.